This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Fit side mirror. First, carefully inspect the mirror for damage. Is it just the glass, or is the entire housing broken? Look closely for any loose wires or cracks in the mounting bracket. Understanding the extent of the damage and whether it's a power or manual mirror will guide your repair process. This initial assessment is crucial for a successful fix. If only the mirror glass is broken, this is a straightforward fix. Begin by carefully removing any remaining glass shards, wearing protective gloves. Clean the mirror housing to ensure a smooth surface for the new glass. Apply adhesive if necessary, then align the new mirror glass and press it firmly into the housing. Hold it for a few seconds to ensure a secure bond. This simple step can save you time and money. When the entire mirror housing is damaged, you'll likely need to replace the whole assembly. Start by disconnecting the electrical connector if your Honda Fit has a power mirror. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel to access the mounting bolts. Unscrew the old mirror, then position the new assembly and secure it with the bolts. Reconnect any wiring, test the mirror's function, and reattach the door panel. After completing the repair, perform a thorough check. If it's a power mirror, test all adjustments to ensure they work correctly. Make sure the mirror is securely mounted and doesn't wobble. A stable mirror is essential for safe driving. Remember, regular cleaning and occasional checks can prevent future issues and keep your Honda Fit side mirrors in top condition for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.